Hey, it's Lauryn here. Curls deserve care, not stress. That's why Delta created the VersaCurl Detangling Shower Tool. It's designed to detangle and rinse curly hair. Today, I'm showing you how to set it up and use it so that wash day feels less like work and more like self-care. Let's talk about the diverter. This little piece switches the water flow between your regular shower head and the VersaCurl tool. Just turn it over. The shower head is on one side, the VersaCurl tool is on the other side. Quick and easy. And just a quick tip for all my curl friends out there, angle your VersaCurl tool downwards so that water doesn't spray all over your shower. The VersaCurl tool has 2 spray settings for deeper rinsing and gentler detangling, and a pause feature. To change or pause the spray, just press this button to cycle through each spray type. Now with the strength of the spray, I like to adjust the angle when I'm rinsing to keep the water where I want it. When I'm applying my hair product, I'll pause the water and place the tool right back on the mount. But that's totally up to you whether you want to keep the water running or not. Now my favorite part of the VersaCurl tool are the inserts. They're super easy to swap. Just twist, pop it out, and lock in a new one. To see what feels best for your curls, I recommend doing a learn the tool wash. You can even change them mid-shampoo if one doesn't feel right. And don't be afraid to experiment and personalize your wash. Each insert works for any curl type, so it's all about your preference. Not every wash day is the same. Plus, look how flexible these brushes are. They're gentle, but effective. Now when my hair is really tangled, I like this one. It really gets the job done. And low-key, I know what you're thinking. This seems like a lot. It may not work for your hair. I was thinking the same thing, but there's a learning curve with the VersaCurl tool. But don't worry, because just like me, you'll get it too. What I find works best is sectioning my hair and detangling. These are all parts of my usual routine, and adding in this tool helps my wash day feel less like work. Try different inserts. Pause the spray if you want to detangle with conditioner still in. Then rinse when you're ready. Honestly, it only takes a few washes before you find your rhythm. The tool was designed to work with your products and your process. So play around with the inserts and sprays until you find what's best. That's the beauty of it. It's personalized for your curls, your way. So where does the VersaCurl tool fit into your routine? Well, that's totally up to you. You can use it alongside of your favorite detangling tools or let it replace them completely. For my personal routine, I'll first wet my hair with the shower head, then I'll section my hair and flip to the VersaCurl tool. That's when I saturate my curls before shampooing. After that, I'll rinse and put in conditioner, and that's when I use my favorite insert to easily detangle. But you can experiment and find what works best for your curls. Now, let's talk about cleaning. The best way to keep your VersaCurl tool looking new is simple. Rinse it off after every wash. Warm water and a little mild soap works wonders. If you want to sanitize, use rubbing alcohol, but avoid harsh chemicals or disinfectants. They can damage or stain the tool. And if you ever get mineral buildup, the spray nozzle has the Delta Touch Clean feature. Just wipe with your finger and it's good as new. Another thing that I love about the VersaCurl tool is how versatile it is for the whole family. I'm talking your dad, your mom, your brother, your little sister. The 72-inch hose makes it super easy for self-care or caregiving. Now, whether you're using it for your own wash day, helping a child, or caring for an adult, the extra length and flexible mounting options really come in handy. Okay, curl friends, so that's how you set up, use, and care for your VersaCurl Detangling Shower Tool. It's all about making your wash days less of a chore and more of a self-care moment. I can already tell the difference in my curls, and I can't wait for you to try it too.